Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it. Hello app, we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings, then this list you will search about the application of Hello app, and you will click here in this window, then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage, and when you click on storage, then you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.